What's up, hunters? How's it going? Today we're delving deep into the Quantum VX900, a metal detector designed to kill excuses and open up new possibilities in precision detecting. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, this device brings professional-grade technology into your hands with cutting-edge German engineering. The Quantum VX900 combines precision and reliability you can trust.
Crafted from shock-resistant industrial plastic, the Quantum VX900 is built tough to handle harsh field conditions. Its ergonomic design features a soft TPR handle and a 5-inch vibrant color screen that makes reading signals and settings effortless.
That 5-inch display is sharp, but how does it help me detect better?
It provides clear color-coded signals and intuitive menus so you can quickly identify targets without confusion, saving you time in the field. Inside, the precision-engineered PCB with electrical shielding protects against interference from soil minerals or electromagnetic noise, ensuring stable and reliable detection.
So you're telling me that even in mineralized soils, I won't get false readings?
Exactly. The Quantum VX900 excels at ignoring soil interference using special technologies, giving you true target signals.
Okay, but what about this unit right here?
The remote signal processing unit extends your detection capabilities, guiding you to zones with signals.
Pinpointing targets must be tricky, but that's what the VX100 is for.
Yes, the VX100 pinpointer helps you zero in on small targets during your excavation, saving time and effort.
I see 3 coils over here, but how do they differ?
The V10 coil is specialized for raw gold nuggets and coins, offering fast responses and precision. The V25 coil is for deep targets and relics, with accurate audio and 2D life scanning analysis. The V35 active sensing unit covers both precious metals and underground anomalies with advanced 2D and 3D imaging.
The active V35 sensing unit caught your eye, right? But what does it exactly do?
It's one of the first technologies that detect both metals and man-made underground structures, caves, tunnels, even archaeological tombs, and provides 2D and 3D imaging to visualize what lies beneath. Each coil on the Quantum VX900 activates a dedicated interface designed to give you the most relevant controls and visuals for that specific mission. With the V10 coil, the system emphasizes speed and precision, perfect for raw data. You'll notice the interface becomes highly responsive, showing you a graph signal, numerical target IDs, and intuitive color feedback. Turbo mode kicks in to amplify smaller signals, helping you spot gold fragments others might miss. With iron rejection activated, the detector intelligently ignores shallow ferrous junk, letting you focus on cleaner targets. Switching to the V25 coil transforms the interface into a deep search powerhouse. You'll still get turbo and iron rejection modes, but you'll also see 2D target live scanning. The screen visualizes your target, showing you its estimated shape and signal strength, so you can tell the difference between a real object and just a signal spike. For cache hunting or deep relic recovery, this kind of visual feedback is a game changer. When using the V35 sensing unit, the entire interface evolves into a 3D mapping system. You can scan, rotate, and analyze underground structures, shifting between 2D and 3D views. Tunnels, tombs, metal deposits, everything is rendered with clear color separation and depth layers. You even get tools to slice through the ground digitally, giving you a cleaner sense of what lies beneath. You can also unlock the full power of the V35 active sensing unit with just a few taps. Press the settings, go to the target ID window, press settings again, then choose target ID from the list and click it. The purple icon appears. Your detector is now locked on deep targets and hidden cavities, ignoring shallow clutter. To deactivate, just repeat the same steps. The purple icon disappears and the VX900 returns to full range detection. Inside the general settings, you'll find options to tailor the detector to your environment and preferences. You can adjust gain to control signal strength, fine-tune sensitivity for better discrimination, and change screen brightness, system volume, and language, including English, German, Arabic, Russian, Spanish, Italian, and French. Across all coils, calibration is built right into the system. The VX900 adjusts to soil conditions, mineralization, and environmental noise, keeping your signal clean and reliable. To calibrate, press the calibration button. The interface will guide you to raise and lower the coil parallel to the ground, maintaining a height between 10 and 35 centimeters. Watch the graph as it stabilizes and give the system 10 to 30 seconds to adapt. Simple, quick, and precise. Together, these interfaces and settings make the Quantum VX900 a truly adaptable tool. Each coil on the Quantum VX900 features a smart, color-coded interface tailored to its unique detection technology, giving you quick, reliable insights into what lies beneath. For the V35 coil during 2D scans, red indicates non-precious metals like iron or copper. Yellow points to precious metals such as gold and silver, and blue reveals underground cavities, tunnels, or chambers. The scan grid also displays purple for precious metals and green for natural ground. Graph bars show yellow above the zero line for valuable finds and red below for unwanted metals. To use the V35's 2D scanning feature, start by calibrating the detector to your terrain, then choose a scan mode. Manual mode gives you full control. You'll press the handle button at each step. Automatic mode moves column by column in a zigzag pattern. You'll press the handle button at the start of each column. Next, define your scanning path. Choose between one directional movement or a zigzag pattern for broader coverage. Set your grid by selecting the number of rows and columns, anywhere from 3 to 9, for precise control over the scanned area. You can also choose whether to start scanning from the right or the left depending on your position on the site. Once your scan settings are ready, press the handle button and begin scanning, following the on-screen guide. Make sure your movement and coil speed matches the pattern shown for accurate results. When the scan is complete, tap the save icon to archive your results. Scans are stored in the archive menu with a time and date stamp for easy access later. Now tap the 3D icon to convert the scan into a full 3D model. Use the arrow keys to rotate the view, zoom in to examine target details, and tap the depth analysis icon to get a precise depth reading. This streamlined workflow from customizable 2D scans to interactive 3D visualization turns every survey into actionable insight. With the V25 coil, in live scan mode, red indicates precious metals, blue signals non-precious metals, and green means clean soil. In the target ID screen, you'll see green in the center for all metals, red on the right for non-precious metals, and yellow on the left for valuable metals. In 2D scanning, color gradients tell the full story. Green transitioning to yellow, orange, and red means valuable targets. Green shifting to blues, pointing to ordinary metals. To get accurate results during 2D scanning with the V25 coil, select the 2D scanning mode from the search menu. Press and hold the handle button continuously while moving. Maintain a coil height of 10 centimeters above the ground, and follow on-screen instructions to adjust scanning speed and direction. Make sure your movement and path match the pattern shown on the screen exactly. The scan results will appear as a color-coded grid on the right side of the interface. And last but not least, with the V10 coil, a simple interface shows green in the center for general metal presence, red to the right for common metals, and yellow to the left for high-value targets. The graph shows yellow spikes above the line for non-ferrous metals like gold or silver, red dips below for ferrous targets like iron. This intuitive color system, customized for each coil and detection mode, helps you assess targets instantly and dig smarter every time. To use the V10 coil, start by keeping the search coil about 10 centimeters above the ground. Sweep it slowly from side to side, always staying parallel to the surface. Watch the screen closely. When a signal pops up, the color-coded graph and target ID will help you understand what you found.
And to pinpoint exactly where your target is, just press and hold this button over here, which activates pinpoint mode.
When you let go, the VX900 jumps back into normal search mode. And if you feel the ground conditions shift, maybe it gets more mineralized, just tap the handle button quickly to trigger a fast recalibration.
To ensure optimal performance across all coils, please observe these general precautions during your operation.
Remove all metallic accessories before operation. Items such as mobile phones, watches, bracelets, and necklaces must be kept at a safe distance from the search area. These can interfere with the coil signal and lead to inaccurate or false readings. Avoid operating in high voltage lines or industrial zones. Environments with high electrical interference or metallic debris may affect detection accuracy. If scanning in such areas is unavoidable, lower the detector sensitivity setting to reduce signal disruption. Maintain sufficient space between multiple detectors. When using more than one device simultaneously, ensure a minimum separation of 100 meters to prevent signal overlap and mutual interference. Make sure you power off the metal detector before changing coils. Swapping coils while the detector is active may result in calibration errors or hardware malfunction. Always turn off the unit completely before replacing a coil, then restart it to recalibrate and resume accurate operation.
The rechargeable batteries provide 6 continuous hours of operation time with fast USB-C charging. Plus, the batteries are removable, so you can carry spares for extended expeditions.
Let's quickly cover up setup. Attach the search coil, align the arm and coil holes, insert fixing screw, tighten but gently. Connect the coils plug, align white marks, insert and twist the locking nut to secure. Release the clamp, extend the arm, adjust to comfortable length, then secure it firmly.
It's just that simple.
The Quantum VX900 includes a 2-year warranty covering manufacturing defects. For more information, make sure to check out our website.
No more excuses with the Quantum VX900. With power, precision, and professionalism all between your hands, backed by German technology and rigorous quality standards, it's your perfect partner during operation.
This is the Quantum VX900 by Vertex Detector. Explore,